How to schedule Instagram Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply schedule an Instagram Live on your mobile phone devices. So you have to do is follow these simple steps. First of all, you're going to go into the Instagram and open up the application. Afterwards, you're going to go and tap on the profile icon that is at the right bottom corner of your screen. Afterwards, you're going to go and tap on the press icon that is at the right top upper corner of your screen just beside that three bar settings option. So once you do that, a new dialog box appears stating 4 to 5 option that says post story highlight live. You're gonna go into the live one and just tap on it. Once you do that, a new page is going to appear. In this page, at the left side of the screen in the middle, there are three options: tile, live video, and views or scenes. So you're going to go and tap on the calendar icon one. Once you tap on it, a new page is going to appear which suggests video title. So you're going to write whatever the title of that live should be. Eventually, just beneath that, there is a start time option in which you can exactly, or you can like suggest the timelines to start the live. So I would start it. So when I'll tap on done, so there it is. I have started the time for, or I have set the timeline for the live video. I have scheduled it. Now I would eventually, when tap on the schedule live video, the time would be set up. This is how you schedule a live on Instagram. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.